Audi Brussels is celebrating a special milestone. 8 million cars have been built in the Belgian factory since it was founded in 1949. The car that crossed that threshold is an Audi e-Tron in metallic Glacier White. The Jubilee car will become part of the extensive historical car collection in the Audi tradition. At first, however, this historically significant Audi e-Tron will remain for a while at its production site in Brussels, where it is an attention grabber for visitors. Alexander De Croo, Prime Minister of Belgium, Belgium's Deputy Prime Minister, and the Minister of Mobility, George Gilkinet, as well as Audi's executive board, were on site for the celebration and visited the factory. Markus Duesmann, chairman of the board of directors of Audi AG, looked toward the future and emphasized the site's role as a key factory for electromobility in the Audi Group. With the Audi e-Tron, not only did production of the brand's first fully electric SUV start here, but the battery assembly is also groundbreaking for the group, also thanks to innovative solutions like the high-voltage battery analysis software BattMAN, battery monitoring analysis necessity, which has since been used by several brands in the Volkswagen Group. The consistent shift in our portfolio toward electromobility is the greatest challenge in the company's history. In electromobility, Brussels is a trailblazer and a model. In the transformation of other locations, we are benefiting from the experiences gained here in Brussels, said Duesmann. Volker German, CEO of Audi Brussels, emphasized the role of the staff. We put our employees at the center and invest in digitalization and intelligent processes and products. Our employees have hundreds of thousands of training hours in preparation for the transition to electromobility. Sabine Mawson, member of the Board of Management for Human Resources and Organization at Audi, adds, Audi is following a defined technological roadmap with a focus on e-mobility and digitalization. At Audi Brussels, it is easy to see how we have closely aligned HR's transformation with our corporate strategy, with clearly formulated targets, with a clear commitment to our team and targeted qualification. After all, transformation is only possible together.